Hey Drop Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. We've got some major news from Nothing. The company has officially locked in the launch date for its much anticipated Nothing Phone 3. So get ready, it's coming your way on July 1st. Now this isn't just another phone launch. The Phone 3 is shaping up to be Nothing's most premium and ambitious device to date, and naturally, the hype is building fast. Even though Nothing hasn't spilled all the details just yet, we've got some juicy leaks giving us a pretty clear idea of what's coming. From what we know, the Phone 3 is expected to launch in two bold color options, classic black and clean white. And when it comes to pricing, things are looking pretty interesting. According to the latest leaks, the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model will start at $799. While the top-tier 16GB RAM plus 512GB version could land at $899. That's actually about $50 cheaper than the OnePlus 13, in both configurations, which gives Nothing a solid edge in the flagship price war. But here's the big mystery: what processor is going to power this thing? So far, Nothing hasn't confirmed the chipset officially, and that's where things get a bit hazy. According to a well-known tipster, Yogesh Brar, the Phone 3 might be rocking the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. But another insider source says something different, suggesting it might not be that chip at all. So what are the other likely options? Industry buzz points to the phone possibly using either the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 or the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Both of these are solid flagship-level chipsets and would make perfect sense given the pricing and true flagship branding. Speaking of flagships, let's rewind a bit. Last year's Phone 2 launched at just $599, making it a great value, even with its slightly older chip and basic dual-camera setup. But with the Phone 3, Nothing is clearly stepping up its game. This time, they're going all in: better chip, more memory, bigger storage, and likely a more advanced camera system too. Now, if the Snapdragon 8 Elite really ends up in the Phone 3, it could actually become the most affordable smartphone on the market with that chip, undercutting even the OnePlus 13, which carries a higher price tag. And just when you thought that was it, there's more coming from Nothing. Another reliable leaker, Mystery Lupin on X, formerly Twitter, recently revealed that Nothing is also prepping to launch their first pair of over-ear headphones, called the Nothing Headphone 1. These are expected to launch in late September, and will likely be priced around $299. At that price point, they're aiming to offer a budget-friendly alternative to heavyweights like the Sony WH-1000XM6 and Apple AirPods Max. While we don't have the full scoop on their design or any standout features just yet, Nothing has a strong reputation for great audio products, so it's definitely worth keeping an eye on these. So, what do you think? Are you excited for the Nothing Phone 3? Will you be grabbing one at launch? And are the Nothing Headphone 1 on your radar too? Let us know what you're most hyped for down in the comments. If you enjoyed this update, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to Drop Tech, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest leaks, reviews, and everything tech. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.